Hello everyone, welcome to IT Twist. My name is Gaurav. In this video we will learn about modules in Python. This topic is really important, so please pay your full attention and it will be really beneficial for you if you do write handwritten notes as well. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for getting information about latest technologies and programming tutorials. Let's get started. So what is a module? In programming world, real world applications are too big and the source code that we write are too large. So imagine you wrote a Python program in a single file which has 20,000 lines of code. Accidentally you made a mistake. Now there will be huge challenge in finding out the cause of the problem. You might be thinking compiler will tell me the line of code where there is a syntax error. I agree with you, but now think about a logical error. It will be time consuming to rectify the code. Large lines of code in a single file leads to inefficient code from the debugging perspective and the code organization point of view as well. In a modular approach, we split our single file applications to different files. That different smaller chunk of files are called modules. By using modules, we can save our times in debugging perspective and make our files to reside in a proper logical manner. Let's deep dive into modules and understand from the coding perspective. Suppose we have a file, say main.py, which contains the main logic files of our application. So we have a requirement to perform some calculations at a certain point of time. Let's create a module which has all the calculation stuffs that we use in this main file. So we will create a module, let's name it calculations.py, and this file will contain all of our calculation stuffs like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Nothing fancy, we already seen all these stuffs in our previous videos. So we will create a function of addition. So it will take two parameters a and b, and we will just print a plus b here. And similarly, we have a function for multiplication. So def multiplication, and it will take two parameters only, and we will just print a multiplied by b. And similarly, we have for subtraction and division. So let's name it subtraction, and we have a division function. So subtraction will return a minus b and division will return a divide b. Cool. So this file will contain all of these particular calculation stuff. But we now need to use these calculation stuffs in our main file. Just imagine we have some lines of code here. Let's add a multi-line comments here. We used to write multi-line comments by using these three single quotes, and I'm just writing we have a large code here about 100 lines, and now we need to use this calculation stuffs over here. And just imagine, by the way, we have some 100 lines of code here. So now there are different ways to import a particular module. So we can import a particular module by using this import keyword. So we will write import calculations. In this way, we have imported a module calculations.py. So when we will use calculations dot, we will get bunch of functions that we have already defined in the calculations. So we can use them here as well. So we can use calculations dot addition, and we can pass 1 or 2. When we will run this particular file, python main.py, you will see answer as 3. And moreover, when I will go ahead and say calculations dot multiplication and calculation dot division 1 and 2, and let's say calculations dot subtraction 1 and 2. So when we will run python main.py again, you will see 3 to 0.5 minus 1. So this is the main power of using modules. We can split our single files into different modules. So it will be really great, right, for the logical organization of the code. So it is really cleaner. So we can divide our single file into multiple modules. So similarly, we have created a module for calculations. We can create modules for string and a lot more stuff. So it will add a power to our application. So suppose we have some error here. So it is really quick to debug 100 lines of code rather than 20,000 lines of code. So similarly, we have some inbuilt modules in Python as well. Like we have something like import sys for operating system like stuffs, and time for time related stuff. We can import multiple modules by using this comma, and moreover we can drill down this import statement to the one import statement, calculation, sys and time. So when I will run python main.py, you will see same stuff here as well. So if you want to import all of the things that you have created in this particular calculations.py, you can also use one more importing syntax, which is from calculations import star. When I will run this python main.py, you will get error because calculations is not defined. So we don't need to write calculations here. So these all methods will be readily available here only. It is as good as we have written these particular lines of code here only. So in this manner, we can also remove this calculations. So when I will run python main.py, you will get the same answer that we got earlier. You can also import some selective things like you only need addition and multiplication, but you don't need subtraction and division. You can also do this by using this from calculation syntax, but this time we will not import star, we will import addition and multiplication. So when I will run python main.py, you will get an error because division is not defined and subtraction is not defined. So when I will get rid of these lines and when I will run again python main.py, you will get 3 and 2 as an output. So with this, we have covered the basics of module. In the next video, we will dive deep into this. If you have any queries or suggestion, please comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.